Greetings from Dr. A. Madhuprasad of Business Administration Department. The topic of today's deliberation is about key terms in information technology. Let us highlight the different technical terms one by one. Computer. It is an electronic device which accepts the data from the user and gives accurate output based on user's requirement. Algorithm. It is a set of instructions designed to perform a specific task. Flowchart. It is the diagrammatic representation of the algorithm. Program. A series of coded software instructions to control the operation of a computer or other machine. Input unit and its types. Input unit. It is a device which is used for feeding data and instructions into a computer's memory. Types of input unit. Keyboard. It is a panel of keys that operate a computer for feeding data. Mouse. This is a small handheld device which is used to move the cursor on a computer screen. Scanner. A device used for examining, reading, monitoring something. It also converts scanned data into digital data. Microphone, that is mic, an instrument used for converting sound waves into electrical energy which then can be amplified, transmitted and recorded. Digital camera, the final input device. This captures the images and stores the captured data for future use. Now, memory unit. This denotes the amount of data that can be stored in the computer for processing and future reference. Types of memory. Primary memory. This memory can be directly accessed directly by the CPU. It holds various processors such as cache and so on. This is also referred as system RAM, that is system random access memory. Secondary memory. It refers to storage devices such as hard drives. It also includes removable devices such as pen drives, CDs, DVDs. The data is first loaded into RAM and then sent to processor. Now, output devices and its types. Output devices. These are the devices which displays the result for the given input. Now, output devices types. Printer. These take information from the computer memory and transfer it to the paper by providing the hard copy. There are two types of printer. They are impact and non-impact printer. Plotter. It produces high quality line drawing graphic output. These are mainly used for layouts in designing fields such as engineering. Video projector. It projects the image onto a wall screen for greater view by large group. It is mainly used in conference and seminars. Speakers. It provides outcome in the form of sound waves. It is of two types. First, internal speakers. These are attached within the computer system. Second, external speakers. These are the auxiliary speakers which are used to share the audio within the particular smaller group. External speakers are divided into subwoofers and woofers. Subwoofers. These are the auxiliary speakers which are used for a group of 100 in number. Woofers. These are the auxiliary speakers which are used for a group of more than 100 in numbers. Final output device. Monitor. It is a display screen which produces output in the form of soft copy. And the last technical term is about computer types. Computer is broadly classified on four categories. We will see one by one. On the basis of size, computer is divided into micro, mini, mainframes and supercomputers. Second, on the basis of data or construction, computers are divided into analog, digital and hybrid. Third, on the basis of brands, computers are divided into IBM, Apple, Macintosh and so on. Finally, on the basis of purpose, computers are classified into general purpose computer and specific purpose computer. Hope you had a good foresight about the various key terms in information technology. Thanks for listening. Have a great and wonderful day. Thank you.